Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel today. If you're just joining, you're welcome. So today I'm going to be showing us how to post on Facebook to across 10 groups at once. I told you in my other video that if you want to take Facebook growth serious, then you have to prioritize posting on at least 30 groups in a day. Now you cannot go over it and posting it once, one after the other, one after the other. No, you can post it 3 times because Facebook can allow you to post to like 10 groups at once. So now I'm going to be sharing my screen to show us how we can post to at least 10 groups at once. So now we'll go to Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. I just want to copy one of my posts here. Remember, when you're sharing to groups, make sure your post that you're sharing is related to that group. And since I'm a baker, most of the things I do are always relating to baking content. So let me share this my post. I already copied it. Now it's time to go to the groups and I want to share it to at least 10 groups. So these are all my groups. What I just do is click on one of those baking group. Now when you see this write something, you will see up there's a plus sign, add group. You click on the add group and then all your groups will come out. So what you just do is to click on them one after the other. Remember that your group has to be in the niche of what you are doing. You can see all these groups, they are all baking groups. Baking, cake this, cake that. Now it's up to 10. So you just click save and then post, paste what you want to post. Go to adding of picture. There is a particular picture I want to use for this. Where is this picture? I think it's this. Okay, yes. And then click post. After posting, they are going to send you a notification that your post has been sent across to group. Maybe I will come back and show you the notifications. So let's wait. Okay, you can see the notification. Okay, you see it. Your post was cross posted to Experience Baker, to Cake Street, and to Baker's channel. If all of them finish cross posting, it's going to bring the notification that it has cross posted to over 10 groups. No, 10 groups, yes. So that's how you do it. If you want to post to like 30 groups in a day, you can do it 3 times instead of going to post in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. It is going to be cumbersome. Thank you so much for staying with me. Thank you. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, kindly subscribe, like, and follow this channel for more updates like this. See you on my next video. Bye.